Hello, my name is Cristobal Fox Diaz and I'm going to teach you algebraic divisions. The first you need to do is organize your division from the biggest exponent to the smallest, like I have it over here. So we have g minus 3 divided at g at the third exponent minus 2g at the second exponent minus 2g minus 3. As you see, we have it organized from the biggest exponent to the smallest. So we're going to start. So we're going to start solving this division. First, you need to find how to eliminate this number or this number. So we're going to use g at the second exponent. So we're going to multiply 3 times g at the second exponent. We get negative because we have positive sign, and a negative, it gets negative. So that means that it's gonna enter as a positive sign, as 3g at the second exponent. And we go positive and positive, it gets positive, but it enters as negative. So it gets g at the third exponent because we multiply g at the second times g, it gets g at the third. So we eliminate this one. So now we're going to add or subtract. Here we're gonna do minus 2 plus 3, we get positive g at the second exponent. We get this one down, 2g, and what we're gonna do now is look for a g so we can eliminate this one here. So we're gonna put positive g, and we're gonna multiply g times positive g times negative 3, we get negative 3g, but it's gonna enter as a positive 3g. And now we're gonna multiply positive g plus positive g, we get positive g at the second exponent, but it's going to enter as negative g at the second exponent. So this one, it gets eliminated. And here we're gonna add or subtract. We get minus 2g plus 3g, we get positive g, and we get the minus 3 down. So we're going to look to eliminate this g and this 3 to get 0. So we're gonna put positive 1 as we multiply positive 1 multiplied by minus 3, we get positive 3, because this one gets negative but it enters as positive. And here we get positive 1 multiplied by positive g, we get positive 1g, but it enters as negative g. So this one, it gets eliminated, and this one also. So the answer is 0. The final answer is g at the second exponent plus g plus 1. That's the final answer of our division. So we're going to do another one. 3g minus 1 divided by 3g at the third exponent plus 2g at the second exponent minus 4g plus 1. We're going to try to eliminate this number. So we're going to put positive g at the second exponent, and we're going to multiply it by these two. So first, positive g at the second exponent times 1, we get negative g at the second exponent. But if it's negative, it enters as positive. So we put positive g at the second exponent. Here, positive g at the second exponent times 3g, we get positive 3g at the third exponent, but it enters as negative 3g at the third exponent, and we eliminate it. Then we add these two. Positive 2g at the second plus positive g at the second exponent, we get positive 3g at the second exponent minus 4g. So we're going to try to eliminate now this number. So we put positive g, and we multiply positive g times negative 1. We get negative g, but it enters as positive. So we put positive g. and then we multiply positive g times positive 3g, we get positive 3g at the second exponent, but it enters as negative 3g at the second exponent, and it gets eliminated. So we add or subtract this one, and it's 4g plus negative 4g plus g, we get negative 3g, and we get this one down, plus 1. So we're going to try to eliminate this one now. We're going to put negative 1. So if we multiply negative 1 times negative 1, we get 1, but it enters as negative 1. And now negative 1 times positive 3g, we get negative 3g, but it enters as positive 3g, and that gets 0 because they get eliminated. So the final answer is positive g at the second exponent plus g minus 1. That is the final answer of this algebraic division. Okay, you gotta be careful with the sign, because if you get one sign incorrect, you get the whole thing wrong. So be careful with the signs. If here you have positive, you gotta watch what you have over here with the sign. If this one is positive, they make positive, but they need to enter as negative. In here that you have negative and you have positive over here, they make negative sign, but they enter as positive. So be careful with that. You need to watch what you do with your signs. Well, thank you very much. This was the lesson of the algebraic division. I hope you like it. This was made by Cristobal Fox Diaz. I hope it gets useful for you, and I hope you like it.